Hi, sweet one, and welcome to this week's guided meditation. As we breathe into ourselves and return to our true nature, our natural rhythms, our natural pace. Take your time here. Let the room settle around you. Let your body find whatever shape feels like a soft yes. And with your next inhale, let your shoulders drop. Let your jaw unclench. Let your belly loosen. Let the spine remember how to be human. You don't have to do anything right now. Just arrive as you are, exactly as you are. Let breath find you, slow and warm and unhurried. Let your exhale be longer than your inhale. Let every out-breath feel like a small returning. We'll begin by letting breath open the doors inside you. Inhale gently. Exhale fully. Again, inhale gently. Exhale fully. On your next breath, imagine your ribs widening like a winter horizon. On your exhale, imagine everything unnecessary sliding out through your feet. Breathing in and out. Softening, undoing, unclenching. Bring awareness to your feet, noticing their weight on the ground, their quiet patience, their willingness to hold you through every season. Notice the legs, the knees, the thighs. Notice your pelvis, bowl-shaped and holy. Let your breath be slow and tender. Move up through the belly, the place where you brace or carry worry, and let it soften. Let it fall open like a field after first frost. Move up into the heart. Feel its temperature, its texture, its longing. Move into the throat, the place where truth tries to rise, and let it open just a little. Move into the jaw, the tongue, the cheekbones, the forehead, the scalp. Let the whole body become one warm, breathing landscape. Imagine now that your body is part of the natural world. Your breath is wind. Your blood is rivers. Your bones are mountains. Your skin is the shifting sky. Feel how your body responds to this remembering. How something loosens in your chest. How something opens behind the heart. And now, sense the season around you. The season your body is actually in. Are you in inner winter, quiet and slowed and reflective? Are you in an inner spring, curious, waking, stretched toward possibility? Are you in an inner summer, bright, expressive, and overflowing? Or an inner autumn, gathering, integrating, releasing? Let the answer rise without forcing it. Your body knows. It always knows. Now imagine you're standing in a world with no clocks, no deadlines, no demands from systems that profit from your exhaustion. Imagine there is no pressure to rise before your soil is ready. Feel the relief of that, and also the grief. The part of you that has never known life without urgency. And breathe into both. Whisper to yourself, I am allowed to slow down. My pace is holy. Rest is a form of remembering. My rhythm is my rebellion. Feel the way your nervous system shifts like a creature finally released from a too small cage. And now imagine yourself outside, in a place where winter and warmth meet. Maybe a forest, snow drifting between dark pines. Maybe a field, frost shimmering like powdered silver. Or maybe your childhood street, quiet in the early morning, the air still blue with dawn. Feel the cold on your skin, a cold that wakes your instincts, a cold that sharpens your truth. Now imagine you hold a warm mug in your hand, tea or cocoa or broth, something that smells like safety. Allow this warmth to travel into your palms, up your arms, into your chest, and settle right at the center of your being. cold and warm, stillness and breath, season and soul. You are both. You are all. Now place one hand over your heart and one over your belly. Ask yourself, what do I need right now? But let your body speak rather than your mind. Maybe it asks for silence, for nourishment, gentleness or slowness. Whatever it is, receive the answer without arguing with it. This is your nature reclaiming its self. What do I need right now? Taking a deep breath, imagine the earth speaking to you. You do not need to bloom every month. You do not need to be bright every day. You're allowed to dim. You're allowed to rest. You are allowed to begin again and again whenever your soil is ready. Feel how the earth holds time in cycles, in sacred rhythm. You are a cycle, a season, a constellation of shifting truths. You were never meant to live like a machine. Let your breath return to its natural rhythm. Feel your spine soften. Feel your belly loosen. Feel your heart settle into its true pace. And imagine your body aligning with the earth, aligning with intuition, aligning with presence. Let this be your new baseline. Slow, honest, human. Before you open your eyes, I want you to receive these words as if they are being spoken directly into your bones. You are nature. You're allowed to live like it. Your body, your pace, your softness is not wrong. Your desire to slow down is holy. Your instinct to rest is ancestral wisdom. You are returning to what you are. You are returning to the natural rhythm of life. That's where your power's at. When you're ready, let your breath deepen. Let your fingers wiggle. Let your eyes open softly. And take this truth with you. You belong to the seasons, and they have been waiting for you. Namaste.